Welcome to DigitalBix Fashions. Kurtis are the most essential part of every Indian girl's wardrobe. Sporting a kurti on a regular or a special day is a great way to be traditional. So here is a curated list of 5 kurti brands that must be included in your wardrobe this season. Number 1. Fab India. Fab India is indeed one of the most popular and best kurti brands in India that has these fresh and authentic vibes. Their enormous kurti collection of ethnic wear makes you fall in love with ethnics. Number 2. Aurelia. Aurelia has been the most favorite kurti brand in India. They have everything in store for you, from casuals to party wear or from solid kurtas to intricately embroidered ones. Number 3. Global Desi. Global Desi brand has a blend of traditional and modern wear that gives any woman the confidence she has been looking for. It is one of the best kurti brands available in India. Number 4. Biba. This brand tops the list due to its extreme popularity and style. Ethnics have always been the most loved among women. Owning Biba branded kurtis become quite mandatory. Number 5. Libas. Fall in love with kurtis again with Libas branded kurti collection that gives women what they have been looking for. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe DigitalBix Fashions.